Hey everyone, welcome to the tip of the week by Blenderphile. My name is Ship and today we're gonna talk about object level restrictions. So these restrictions basically help you work efficiently and faster in Blender. And the first restriction is called the visibility restriction. If you see in the outliner tab, there is this I button on your, next to your cube. If you press that, it'll hide your cube. If you press that again, it'll reappear. It'll make your cube reappear. Okay, I should turn on screencast keys. Anyways, alright. So it has a keyboard shortcut called H, and if you press Alt H, it'll make it come back, reappear. Now, if there are many objects in your scene and you want to work on one specific object and you want to hide everything else, you just press Shift and H. So it'll hide the deselected objects and it'll keep the selected objects in your 3D viewport. Now this affects only the viewport, it doesn't affect your render. So if you have this hidden and you press render, the cube will still get rendered. So this might cause some problems to you maybe in the future sometimes. Okay, so press Alt H and it'll come back. Next is the selectability restriction. So this is this mouse cursor, and I don't know any keyboard shortcut for this. There may be one. If you know, do tell me, and else you have this button over there. So click that. Now your object is not selectable, you can't do anything with it, you can't select. So maybe if you have a scene where you are satisfied with an object which is at its correct place and you don't want to move it, just turn on its selectivity restriction, and in this case it's basically turning it off so that you cannot select it by mistake ever. Alright, and you click that on and you can now select it again. Okay, so this has nothing to do with being able to render it or not. It'll definitely get rendered because you can see it. If you can see it, it's obviously getting rendered. Now the next thing is rendering restriction. So if you uncheck this one, it'll now not get rendered. Though it is still visible in your 3D viewport, it will not get rendered at all. And it has a keyboard shortcut called Ctrl H. So if you press Ctrl H, it will make it disappear in the renderer. Alt H to Ctrl Alt H in this case to make this come back. So if you see over here, Ctrl H, it hides this, and Ctrl Alt H will make this reappear. There is one more secret ingredient over here. Okay, so if you have a mesh like this, if you are working on a character and you want to sculpt a specific part, and for example this hand, but the body is coming in way, so what to do? You can press Alt plus B. In this case, drag a selection around what you want to see, and voila, now it is there. Okay, so this actually does is draws a box around whatever you want, and now only the thing which is inside the box is visible. Now you can see the box by this gray color. Alright, now the object is actually still there, it's just not visible because it's not inside that part. Now if you just scroll it, or you can just take it back, you can see the whole character right there. Okay, it's still there, it's just not inside this part, so it's not visible. Okay, and if you press Alt B again, it'll just come back. Alright, so these are the 4 things that you should know about. It'll help you work way more faster and efficiently. So that is it for the tip of the week. I'll see you guys in the next week's tip, so keep blending. Bye.